Hello guys, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today we're working on 2011 BMW 535i GT Xdrive, and that's the all-wheel version. And today I'm going to show you how you replace the oil cooler gasket on this vehicle. So let me just show you the part that we got. That is the part number. And that's what the gasket looks like. So let's get it started. There are 3 bolts holding this cooler. 1, 2, and there is one at the bottom right here. To be exact, it's right below this area here on this side. And that's right there, like literally just like right there, to be an exact, because it's really hard to see, but you can feel it when you put your fingers down there. To remove them, what you can do is you need to use kind of like more like a star socket. This one is 3/8, and that's what it looks like. Or you could use the size E12, and they're about the same size. This one just looks a little thicker, but it does fit. They're almost the same exact size. In some cases you probably can get away with 10, size 10. I don't know, let me just try this really quick. Yeah, yeah, 10 is gonna be really hard to fit in there, so you need something like this here. So I'm gonna use this small extension, and I'll use my ratchet. Alright, so I got stuff ready here. I got a small extension with the socket, and I got a long extension, not too long, just a little longer. I can use the one on the top with the long one, and then the bottom one, because you got this little plastic from the radiator fans. I need something a little short to reach to the bottom one here. But before we do this, there's a couple of things that I like to do. First, I'm gonna open this gas cap, the oil cap, and I'm gonna open the coolant cap just to relieve if there is any pressure. And then I'm gonna get a rag and place it underneath here. Alright, so I got a rag right here just to hold any oil that may drip. I'm gonna start with this. Actually, I think I'm gonna get away with using the short socket. Guys, I put the gasket in, and I put a little bit of silicone just so it holds in place, and it has just better sealant. I did not put any silicone on here, but I did put on both sides here. And basically I'm just letting it dry up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put this cooler back in, and that's pretty much all I have to show you, and all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, folks, and that's pretty much how you put a new gasket in. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. Please support us, support our channel. Thumbs up to this video, and subscribe to our channel so we continue to provide the best videos and detailed videos about how to repair vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you with another one.